Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the interior lights, also known as dome lights, fuses, relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Also, we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, guys. This is information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. Interior lights, dome lights, fuses, relays, guys, come, we will explain what you need to check. Today we'll be checking, guys, multiple fuses, relays in one of the hidden fuse boxes. By the way, quick advice, there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox that 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. We need to open the front right door, and when you do that, come in the footwell compartment on the passenger side, on the side of the center console. You have that cover, pry it open, and underneath you find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, now there is very limited information which fuse you need to check, but most likely it's part of the BCM module functions, so you need to check all your body control module fuses, guys. Okay, body control module fuses, where they're located now. First you start here, fuse number 4, fuse number 6, fuse number 7. Those are the first fuses you need to check. Then you go to fuse number 8 right here, guys. Next we need to check fuse number 16 right here. Very important fuse. Fuse number 20 as well. Next you need to check fuse number 30 right here. See, most of these fuses are 15 amp fuses. Then from 30 you count 1, 2, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Fuse number 34 needs to be checked as well. And then fuse number 40 right here. All of these fuses are for the body control module. There is limited information which one exactly you need to check for that specific function, but check all of these fuses, most likely the problem will be there, guys. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.